ABC 3340 News starts now with a severe weather alert.
A simply stunning spring afternoon as we see from our sky view above Tuscaloosa.
Before morning, though, all of that will change. It's a potentially dangerous situation. Here's Alabama's Chief Meteorologist, James Spann.
Yeah, it's going to be a very active day tomorrow. We have a fairly wide window for thunderstorms tomorrow. Several rounds are likely. We'll probably see some storms as early as 4 or 5 a.m. The window runs until 7 p.m. That doesn't mean we'll have rain the continuous time, but occasional rounds of thunderstorms. We have potential for all modes of severe weather tomorrow, the possibility of large hail, damaging winds, and a few tornadoes. We might even see a few strong, violent, long-track tornadoes. The better chance of these type tornadoes will come during the afternoon and early evening hours. Here's a look at the risk area by the Storm Prediction Center, and I don't want people to get hung up in these colors and lines. Storms are going to do what they're going to do. They don't know where these lines are. This is simply a guideline, but this is a moderate risk of severe weather. This is level 4 out of 5 for much of central and east Alabama, basically Birmingham and points east. There is an enhanced risk for pretty much the rest of the state. Now, tomorrow morning, we'll start to see those early morning storms, and again, I'd say they probably start about 4 or 5 o'clock. In the morning, the primary threat here will be from hail and strong gusty winds. The tornado threat in the morning is relatively low. There could be a lull during the middle of the day, but even then we could see developing storms that are severe, and then the air becomes very unstable tomorrow afternoon. This is about 4 o'clock. Any of these storms could go tornadic and be severe. They are isolated and cellular. The storms will gradually sweep east of Birmingham by 6 o'clock, and then by 8 o'clock they'll be out of the state. The bottom line is it is a potentially dangerous severe weather day across the state. We have these from time to time this time of the year. A lot to talk about. A full forecast update is coming up in just a bit, so stay with us.
James, already 16 school districts in Alabama, along with several private schools, have canceled classes for Wednesday. You can check the list as often as you like on the ABC 3340 app on our webpage. There's a banner at the top listing all the school closings. Of course, the latest weather information is also at your fingertips 24/7 on the ABC 3340.